I have been experimenting with AI tools for the last few years now. And every time I build a website or an app, it comes out good, but then when I open it in the browser, it looks terrible. It has generic fonts, flat cards, default color palette, and as a lot of you already know, this is what is called as the AI slop problem. And honestly, most people building with AI right now are dealing with it, and some probably don't even understand that this is so generic. Google dropped an update to a tool called Stitch that directly fixes this. So I tested it by doing an experiment of rebuilding Spotify's entire design language from scratch. What is Stitch? Stitch is Google's AI design canvas. You prompt it, it builds real screens, a clickable prototype, and what really got me was a file that's called design.md. Think of it like your claude.md for your design system. Your colors, fonts, spacing rules, all documented in a format that any AI coding tool can actually read and follow. So your design doesn't get lost in translation when you take it to the code. I dropped Spotify's URL into Stitch and asked it to extract the full design system and rebuild it as something original. I then built three screens, a home feed, a now playing view, and a library page. I also ran a heat map to check where the user's eyes land. I wired it all into a clickable prototype and then exported this design.md straight into my Claude Code to generate new screens using that. So let me show you in a fast mode on what's happening step by step. That's the full Spotify rebuild inside Google Stitch. From design system to a clickable prototype in less than 30 minutes. That is the power of Google Stitch. Go try it out for yourself.